How to convert an image to PDF on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert an image into a PDF on your Android phone in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your gallery or Google Photos and simply find the image that you want to convert. You can also select the multiple photos if you want. And after selecting the photo, simply tap on the send icon at the bottom of the screen, and after that you will be provided with a tons of options. So simply scroll through the options and simply find the option labeled JPG to PDF, and once you have found that, simply tap on it, and after that it will take some time to load. And once you're done with that, your image will be successfully converted to the PDF. And once it's converted, you can simply save the PDF. To do that, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop down menu you can simply tap on the save as, and after that you can simply choose a folder or directory to save your new PDF file, and you can even rename the file if needed. And that's it. That's how you can change your image into PDF file on your Android device. But if your phone doesn't have print to PDF feature, you can download an app like Image to PDF Converter from the Play Store, and these apps make the process quick and easy. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.